Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together my quickly crossed quilt block A. This is such a simple block, and later this month I'm going to show you how to put together a mini quilt using this and another block. And so let's get this together right now. Okay guys, here's the layout. It's so simple, but I actually adore this block, and it's just really good to have these measurements in your head. I do a lot of 6-inch and 12-inch blocks, and this is a 6-inch block. So this is 2 fabrics that are 3.5-inch squares and 2 different fabrics that are 3.5-inch squares, and that's it. So to sew this together, it's just a quick flip over of both sides, and this is why this makes it so nice, because if you're making multiples of this block, you can just put together 2 and then match them all up the correct way later. So match up your color A and your color B together. Okay, so I'm gonna just quick sew these. I just chain pieced them because, woo! Grab my scissors there because it's just so much easier. And then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to press towards the colored fabric in this case. If you are using, and which by the way, you totally can, you don't have to use white. If you're using a different fabric, just make sure, 2 different colored fabrics, just make sure you press one way and one the other way. So in my case, I've pressed this one, actually, I've pressed this one this way, and I've pressed this one this way, okay? And so I flipped them around so I get that cute look. And then when I fold them over, I have a nested seam. And when you press everything down, it'll be quite a bit nicer. And it is such a pretty little quilt. And what I like about it is it really does show off the fabrics you're choosing and makes a statement without being complicated. There are a lot of complicated blocks out there that don't give you as much for your bang for your buck, for the sewing, for the cutting, as just something simple like this. So this quilt block can be found in my PDFs that I send out to my fabric VIPs. If you want to get a hold of all of those, I send them out every single week. I send out old ones regularly, so if you're looking for an old one, just wait for it. It'll probably come around again. And you can join that by going to karinagardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP or finding a link in my description. And I can't wait to see you here. Make sure and subscribe to the channel if you are loving these videos, because we do one, I do one every single week. Okay, see you guys.